Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are going to be discussing a couple more curbside deals because I know Valentine's Day merchandise isn't everybody's cup of tea. So if you are more of a curbside shopper and you're like, just give me some $10 baskets, I got you in this video. But the first thing we're going to talk about is this. The BOGO 50% off clearance CoverGirl. I recommend that you do this deal in store. Here's why. It's involving IBOTTA, so you need to make sure that the barcodes are attaching with the rebate and that you're picking up the right stuff. If you do this as a curbside pickup and they grab the wrong mascara, that can be costly, and if they don't print the receipt for you, you know what I'm talking about. For a lot of us Michigan girls, this started appearing last night in your IBOTTA rebate. $4 back for the eye makeup and a $4 back for the face. And it's a limit of up to 5. So this is potentially $40 if you can get 10 items and really make it happen. For 2 of those mascaras, as an example, and again, I would recommend to do this in store to ensure that IBOTTA is attaching and that you're grabbing the right stuff. Grabbing 2 of these clearance products on BOGO 50% off, it would be $6.88. And then roll some Walgreens cash, or if you have a register reward, toss that in. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA. You're getting $4 back times 2. That's $8 back. It makes this free and a $1.11 moneymaker. And it, again, okay to use Walgreens cash and store rewards, register rewards, whatever you might have. The limit of this is up to 5 for both of those IBOTTA rebates. And there's a whole host of CoverGirl, Revlon, Maybelline cosmetics that are clearing out right now. So if you have very valuable IBOTTA rebates, you know, you're not using a manufacturer coupon, you're using register rewards or Walgreens cash, completely different. So IBOTTA can't shut you out for this one. So I mean, if you love makeup or just want to roll some register rewards, this is a superb deal. In store, I would recommend again. Okay, so yesterday I made a video, curbside for this Valentine's Day booster, 10 back when you spend 30, and we look at a whole host of different deals. Some of these baskets are a little larger and they're all like, you got to use your debit card for the balance. And for a lot of you that are just like, I just want a deal, that's what this video is about. But if you are still in search of Valentine's, this video is valid until Wednesday the 14th. So go and check it out. I will link it at the end. Okay, so we're doing the rest of these deals curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, desktop, computer, tablet, whatever electronic device you want to use. On the left-hand side with the red check, you're going to press that box and have an employee pick up all your stuff. You drive to the store and pick it up, and that's lovingly known as a curbside pickup. And a lot of you prefer to shop this way because you can use, discount codes, and the items are a little bit cheaper. So that's what we're exploring in this video. The first deal number 1, this is an item for $9.79, the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift. It's some sort of cleanser. There's a valuable coupon that is this one, $8 off. I know there's also a toner that would make it free. Unfortunately, sold out up here. It would make it $1.79 for that cleanser. But there's other items that are attaching. So if that's not your cup of tea, keep looking under this coupon. And this one wasn't only for you or picked for you. So not every account has it. But if you do the majority of deals, I do. I'm always looking for like high-end lotions and face stuff, so you probably have the same one. We're also going to grab an optic white and then the regular toothpaste. Alternatively, if you want to grab a toothbrush for the second one, go for it, because this one is Colgate products, so the toothbrushes are in fact included. So if you're like, I don't want toothpaste, do that. And then for the optic white, load this guy, and it's just for toothpaste only as per the fine print. So looking at the overall basket here, $8 off for L'Oreal Paris, $2 off for Colgate, $2 off for Colgate, WAG 10 taking an extra 58 cents off. Looking at this, the basket is $17.79, WAG 10, a bit of tax, and $12 in digitals melting off. Pay $6.24, or if you wish to use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.24, and then you're getting back $3 in Walgreens cash. The promotion with Colgate is to buy 2, get $3 back. So for this one, you will get your $3 back, probably after you pick up your order, a couple hours following, it'll post to your account. Some of us, if you have $10 of manufacturer coupons, you can put the order in, but some of us can't, depending what state you live in. It's weird. Throw in something to balance the math. Alternatively, you could always throw in this Dawn dish soap, and that should work. But whatever you want, maybe some Valentine's Day candy or something like that, or a Squishmallow. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, kind of leaning on the first deal, but kind of changing it a bit. We're going to grab one of these toothbrushes and then one of the optic whites. So that's $8 for the two. And then you're going to load the following digitals, the $2 off of Colgate product and the $2 off of an optic white. So these two, load them both, and it's on a promotion to buy two, get $3 back. So how lovely is that? Now, for those that love Garnier shampoo, let's grab two of the whole blends. I will let you guys know it's only on certain items on the website that to buy $10 to get $3 back. And I had a heck of a time tracking down two of these whole blends. So just pay attention that the writing is at the bottom saying, spend 10, get 3 back. Also grabbing 2 Fructis as well. For our shampoo deal, we're going to load the following digitals that include this 3 off of 2 for the whole blends, and then 3 off of 2 for the Fructis. And really pay attention when you're throwing those whole blends into the cart that you're grabbing the right ones, because it is tricky, guys. And then just showing you the 3 for the whole blends, the 3 for the Fructis, Colgate, and then with the code WAG10, an extra 40 cents off. Looking at the overall basket, it's $24, 40 cents off with WAG10. Curbside pickup is free. Tax, $10 melting off, $15.02. You know what I personally would do? Use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $5.02, and then you're getting back $6 in Walgreens cash. It is $3 for the Colgate and then $3 for spending $10 on the Garnier shampoo line. Now, this final deal that I have prepared for you, if you have a booster like spend 20, get back 5, this is where it's the best deal. It is to grab these two items. That is a Schick Intuition shaver for $11.49 and then one of the men's for $11.99. These two products have jumped up in price from the last time we've done this deal, if you haven't noticed. The following digitals that include a $4 off for the men. And then for the women's razor, that Intuition, and it's a great razor because it has like shave cream around the razor. If you're lazy like me, it's a great one. An extra $4. Now, just to show you how the coupons are plugged in here, we have the two $4 coupons melting off, and then the code WAG10 is taking an extra $1.55 off. So your total is spend 20, get back 5 on Schick Intuition or Schick products, but it's at $23.48. So even with the code WAG10, we're still spending $21.93, so we're above that limit. Curbside pickup is free. We have tax, and our $8 is melting off. With your debit card, pay $15.25, and you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making each razor $5 each. If you have a booster like spend 20, get back 5, a much, much better deal. Do not use any Walgreens cash with this because the promotion with Schick is to spend 20, earn 5. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.